I often drop the final consonant when I speak. I'm going to say a few words. Please let me know if I drop them.
Sure thing. Say the words and I'll listen closely.
I went to the market. When?
You dropped the T at the end of went.
You are a friend. Friend.
You dropped the D at the end of friend.
Let me know if my sentences are grammatically correct.
I wake up yesterday.
And I feel tired.
Close. It should be I woke up yesterday and I felt tired.
I would like to have a conversation with you to practice my English, but I only know about 1,000 English words.
No problem. We can keep it simple. What would you like to talk about?
I'd like to talk about the Rocky Mountains.
Sure. The Rocky Mountains are beautiful. They stretch from Canada to the United States. People love hiking, skiing, and seeing wildlife there. Have you visited the Rockies before?
Not yet. Could you suggest some places to visit?
Well, Banff and Jasper in Canada are fantastic. They've got stunning lakes and mountains.